Hey everybody, it has been a very long time since I have sat down and filmed a video for YouTube. About 7 or 8 months, I believe. The last time I made a video, I was I think 6 or 7 months pregnant, and now I have a 4-month-old baby girl. A lot has changed and I wanted to update you guys, and I'm also wanting to kind of revamp my channel and get back into it. I did notice that I did get quite a few new subscribers, so thank you so much for subscribing and sticking around even though I have been MIA for quite some time. And to all of my old subscribers who have been a part of my channel for a while, thank you also for sticking around. I am going to be doing more videos. A lot has changed, like I said, so I'm just going to hop right into it. So currently I am staying home with my daughter. A lot of you probably know from seeing my videos that I was a hairstylist for over 6 years, close to 7, and I have not been working in a salon for 6 months now. And to me, if you would have asked me that like a year or two ago, I would have never foreseen that happening, but I am actually a lot happier now that I'm not behind the chair. And there's a lot of reasons for that I don't really want to get into in this video, but just know that I am no longer working in a salon on clients or anything. I still do my family and friends' hair, things like that, but I'm no longer working behind the chair, and I am happy about that as of right now. I do miss a lot of my clients, but a lot went on, and yeah, I changed my mind on the career path that I was wanting, at least for the time being. So I'm staying home with my daughter, and I am actually in 2 social selling companies, and one I have done a video on, and that is not what I really want to promote on my YouTube channel, but the other one I just joined in April, and that is Red Aspen. They are the first lash social selling company on the market right now, so that is what I'm wearing right now, is Red Aspen lashes. The style I'm wearing right now is Vivian, so I absolutely love Vivian. She is definitely my favorite. So that is something that I just did, like I said, a couple months back, was joined Red Aspen, and it really made me realize how much I missed doing makeup. I have been a hair person for quite some time, and I was sort of neglecting trying different techniques with makeup and different things out. I was wearing the same exact makeup every single day. So being a part of a company that is introducing makeup into the line as well, it's not just lashes. What are you doing? It's not just lashes. They also have brow pencils and eyeliner, and every month they are releasing 1 to 2 products. So it really got me thinking that I wanted to start up my YouTube channel again and not only do hair videos, but also do makeup, advice videos, DIYs, pretty much anything that I enjoy watching I plan to do on this channel. I don't want it to be just hair focused anymore, but if that is the reason you are watching my channel or you are subscribed to me, I still am going to be doing hair videos. I just don't want it to be my main and only focus. So yeah, I plan to be doing makeup videos like I said, and hair color cutting videos, like things like that I was doing before on myself and how to accomplish things at home, as well as a bunch of different hairstyles, lifestyle videos, pretty much anything that I want to do, I plan to do it on this channel now. And I do have to say that I was watching a girl on my Facebook Live is becoming really big, so I have been doing that. Sorry if you hear my daughter, I'm just gonna keep kind of rolling it out, but Facebook Live has become big, and that is something that I have been doing now that I am in 2 different companies, and it made me realize how much I miss sitting down and being able to film videos. My daughter definitely keeps me busy, which is a whole other thing in itself. She's my firstborn, and mommyhood definitely slapped me in the face, and it's a lot different than I thought, but it is the biggest blessing being able to stay home with her, and I've been really enjoying my time with her. And yeah, I don't really know where this is going. I just kind of wanted to give you guys an update. You made me lose my train of thought, child. You're just being so cute. But anyway, I kind of forgot where I was going with that, other than I'm getting back into makeup. Oh, I remember. I was watching a Facebook Live of this girl who had just joined Red Aspen around the same time I did, and it was a video about her saying she was breaking up with direct sales. And that's not what I'm saying I'm doing, but it did make me realize how much I missed my YouTube channel, because that is what she said she was going to be doing, was starting up a YouTube channel, and she does have one. I will be linking it down below if you guys want to check her out. She's really funny. I love her attitude. attitude, and she really inspired me to get back into it. And that was just a video I watched yesterday, and this is the first time I'm sitting down and filming just because she really inspired me to get back into it. I've been putting it off for months. I've been wanting to come back literally for months before my daughter was even here, and I was honestly just not very happy with where I was at, and I didn't want that to come off in my videos. I feel like it was already coming off in person, and it was coming off on my live videos, and I really just wanted to focus on myself, getting the handle on becoming a mom and everything like that. And I think I'm getting into the flow of things. She's sleeping a little better, napping a little more, and she's more content now that she's 4 months old. Things keep her a little bit more distracted. It's not only me distracting her. So I'm getting back into this full force. I plan to at least upload 1 time a week just to start, kind of like I was doing before. But because I am staying home, I know I'll be able to upload more. So if you guys have any videos you do want to see from me, let me know. I have a few ideas in mind already. And another thing, like I said, I'm doing makeup and stuff, but if you are actually wanting to look into Red Aspen, the company itself, the products, the business, anything like that, I will be leaving my email down below as well as the link to the website for you guys to check out. I'm going to be doing makeup reviews and tutorials, first impressions, everything like that, along with hair videos and everything else like I was saying. I feel like I'm just rambling at this point, so I'm going to hop off of here. I hope you guys stick around. Thank you if you have. I greatly appreciate it. And to everybody new, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys do stick around, and if you're watching my video, this is the first one you're seeing, please subscribe. I would love to have you guys here. Like I said, I'm going to be pushing full force for this channel, and I really do want to grow my audience and grow what I'm doing here, because it is something I always enjoyed for years before, and I definitely want to get back into it because YouTube was my happy place for a very long time, and I can see it being my happy place now. So I'm going to hop off of here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys stick around, and I hope you have a good rest of your day, and I will see you guys later.